Message notification not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. After clicking on notifications, then click on count, stack or list. Now click on list, and here you can see the option show previews. Now click on show previews, and if you select never when unlocked, then select only always. After selecting only always, it will be show your notifications. Now go back to your home screen and swipe down to your control center and click on focus. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.